We're out searching, trundling along, turning around. So many good looking places. Got a lottery ticket in it. Everywhere looks good, especially when it's on low tide. You can see all the roots and all the snags. Just trying to see if I can see. It's a very murky tidal water. Can't see through it at all. Occasionally a little bit. So really just looking for any sort of movement or bubbles or just anything that shows signs of life, really. That's all I'm after. Just popping out for a couple of hours of an evening. Let's see what we can find.